moving to a new country forced her to rebuild life alone. Familiar comfort disappeared, replaced by uncertainty daily. She faced pressure to prove herself without support systems. Financial stability and recognition felt painfully distant then. Yet she refused to abandon her creative ambitions. Today, we are talking about Laura Correa Padrón, a digital creator rising through authenticity and bold vision. Based in Valencia, Spain, with strong Latin roots proudly, she built influence through lifestyle, fashion, and motivation. Her content celebrates confidence, femininity, and self-worth. Adapting to Spain demanded resilience and emotional strength. She documented growth instead of hiding struggles privately. Social media became her space to rebuild identity publicly. Each post reflected determination to move forward stronger. Gratitude became her shield against overwhelming doubt. Instead of pretending perfection, she showed real emotions. Followers connected deeply with her honest storytelling style. Authenticity became her unexpected competitive advantage online. She proved vulnerability can inspire powerful communities. That connection accelerated her rapid audience growth. She treated influence like a serious business venture. Consistency replaced motivation as her daily discipline tool. Personal branding defined her unique recognizable identity. Visual storytelling elevated her post above typical content. Entrepreneurial mindset expanded opportunities beyond sponsorships. She launched her fragrance brand with fearless ambition. Becoming CEO transformed creator status into leadership. Business ownership strengthened her authority and credibility. Followers witnessed transformation from creator to entrepreneur. Her platform evolved into a powerful personal empire. Glamorous style reinforced her confident public persona. Elegant outfits communicated strength without saying words. Motivational captions amplified emotional audience connection. She positioned herself as empowerment through femininity. Community loyalty grew because values stay consistent. Her story proves authenticity outperforms imitation online. Success followed when she stopped chasing approval. Strategic patience replaced the need for instant results. Personal growth became foundation for professional growth. She showed influence begins with self-belief first. From uncertainty to leadership, her evolution inspires millions. The woman rebuilding alone became a global motivator. Her journey reflects courage, discipline, and vision combined. She continues expanding influence across lifestyle and business. And her story proves reinvention is always possible. Consistency is the only shortcut. Subscribe to fuel your ambition. Thanks for watching.